In this presentation, we'll take a step-by-step approach to introducing how to write a high-quality essay that effectively explains a process to your readers. To write an effective process analysis essay, you need to focus on four key elements. Topic selection. Choosing the right topic is essential. Your topic should be engaging, relevant, and something you are knowledgeable about. This ensures you can provide clear and accurate instructions to your readers. Outline the steps. A logical structure is crucial for any process analysis essay. Begin by outlining all the steps involved in the process. This will help you organize your ideas and present the information in a way that's easy to follow. Presenting the steps. When presenting your steps, clarity and precision are vital. Use transitional words like first, next, and finally to guide your readers through the process. Conciseness ensures your audience remains engaged and can follow the process without confusion. Proofreading. Finally, proofread your essay carefully. Look out for grammar and spelling errors and ensure your essay maintains a clear thesis and logical flow. This final step ensures your essay is polished and professional. Selecting the right topic is the foundation of a successful process analysis essay. When choosing your topic, consider two important factors. First, pick something that genuinely interests you, writing about a process you are passionate about. Second, ensure that you have enough experience or knowledge about the topic. This will help you explain the steps clearly and accurately. Finally, make sure the topic is specific and focused. A well-defined topic ensures that the scope of your essay is manageable. For example, instead of choosing how to cook a meal, narrow it down to how to make homemade lasagna. A focused topic makes your essay more structured and easier to follow. Once you've selected your topic, the next step is to outline the process. Let's break this step into three main points. Step-by-step process. Begin by breaking the process down into individual steps. Decide on the order in which to present them. Use concise language and, when necessary, provide examples to help your readers understand each step easily. Order of steps. The sequence in which you present the steps is crucial. Arrange them in a logical, natural order so that the process flows smoothly. Avoid jumping between unrelated steps or skipping important ones. Specific steps. Be as detailed as possible in explaining each step. Break down complex steps into smaller parts if necessary and define what each part entails. This level of detail helps the reader follow the process without confusion. The introduction is one of the most important parts of your process analysis essay. It sets the tone of the essay. Overview of the process. Begin your introduction with a brief overview of the process you will explain in the essay. Provide a general idea of what the essay will cover and how it will be structured. This helps your readers understand the scope of the process from the outset. For instance, if your essay is about how to plant a vegetable garden, briefly mention the stages of preparation, planting, and maintenance. Clear thesis statement. Conclude the introduction with a clear and concise thesis statement. The thesis should indicate the main purpose of the essay and what the reader will gain from it. For example, this essay will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a thriving vegetable garden from soil preparation to harvesting. The next critical task is to present the steps you've outlined effectively in your essay. Let's focus on three key elements. Clear and concise language. Use language that is straightforward and easy to understand. Avoid overly complex or technical terms unless they are absolutely necessary, and if you do use them, provide clear definitions. Organizational strategies. Choosing the right structure for presenting your steps is crucial. For most process analysis essays, chronological order works best as it aligns with how the process naturally unfolds. Transitions. Smooth transitions are the glue that holds your essay together. They guide the reader through the process and show how one step leads to the next. To finish your process analysis essay effectively, the conclusion should bring everything together and leave a strong impression on the reader. Let's focus on three key elements. Restate thesis statement. Start by restating the thesis statement from your introduction. This reminds the reader of the main purpose of the essay and ties back to the key argument or point. For instance, if your thesis was about guiding the reader through planting a vegetable garden, reiterate how the steps lead to a thriving garden. Provide summary of the process. Summarize the main steps you've discussed in the essay. This helps the reader recall the overall process without needing to reread the entire essay. Keep it concise but clear, emphasizing the flow of the process and the critical steps taken. Provide sense of closure. End with a sense of closure by leaving a lasting impression. Reinforce the significance of the process and its outcome. You could add a final thought, a piece of advice, or an insight that ties everything together. For example, by following these steps, anyone can enjoy the satisfaction of growing their own vegetables at home. Proofreading is a critical step in ensuring your process analysis essay is polished and easy to understand. Let's focus on two key aspects of proofreading: grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Careful proofreading helps catch errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. These mistakes can distract your readers and detract from the clarity of your essay. A clean, error-free essay ensures that your ideas are presented in the best possible light. Tools like grammar checkers can be helpful, but don't rely solely on them. Read through the essay yourself for accuracy. Logical flow. Proofreading is also about checking the structure and coherence of your essay. Ensure that each step follows logically from the previous one and that your explanations are clear and concise. Ask yourself, does this essay make sense to someone unfamiliar with the process? If not, revise accordingly to make your argument easier to follow. By dedicating time to proofreading, you can elevate the quality of your writing and leave a positive impression on your audience.